With the CARGOS 8000, we're addressing a large number of customer requests from the market. The design focused in particular on aspects such as fuel saving, stability, and multiple uses. Our projects are carried out in line with the CPDP, CLAAS product development process. The machine has to meet requirements, especially during peak harvesting periods. So we've subjected the core components to rigorous testing, especially in the area of validation.
Driving in a circle for 80 hours, well, it's kind of fun when you can take turns.
We're in the test area for the hydraulic actuator system. We've been testing the CARGOS rotor for several months. We recorded actual forces in the field and are now transferring them with the cylinder directly onto the segment. This is another CARGOS test. Here we have a hydraulic cylinder and components from the CARGOS chopper housing, and we're simulating the wear on the knife. The material should always react in the same way. We've run 8,000 cycles here, and they're all identical.
Here in design engineering, we endeavor to implement customer requests. It's a bit like a baby that you've cared for and sheltered for 3 years, sorting out any teething troubles and fixing them as quickly as possible. And then, when it begins to walk, as it were, it's a very satisfying feeling.
There are all kinds of functions that need to be controlled in some way, and today that's possible only with electronics. We were able to test the software thoroughly using the HILT system. This reconstructs the entire electronics architecture of the self-loading forage wagon. There's a standard control, just like in the actual wagon, and the control to operate the functions.
We are now in the gravel plant and performing fatigue strength testing on the CARGOS 8000. The advantage here is that we can drive at a higher speed. This increases the loading and we can arrive at tangible results much faster.
The typical CARGOS 8000 customers are professional farms operating their own machinery, but also contractors who want to use the wagon all year round, in some cases with the assembly removed. The use frequency is between 300 and 1,200 loads a year.
The CARGOS 8000 combines the advantages of a 100% dual-purpose wagon with those of a self-loading forage wagon.